Wala pa rin ba? Wala pa rin ba yung inaantay mong opportunity, yung inaantay mong kasagutan, yung pinagdadasal mo? At dahil dito, parang natatakot ka and you feel anxious. Parang walang kasiguraduhan. Pero you know what? Just wait patiently and productively. Yung mahalaga yung waiting productively. Kasi hindi ka magiging patient kung idle ka, kung hindi ka busy. Kailangan may mga goals kang siniset at ina-accomplish within the day. Kasi yung inaantay mo, darating yan sa tamang panahon. And it arrives when you're actually ready. And the way to be ready is to be productive. Productivity means accomplishing what you set out to do. Kahit yung mga mahihirap na bagay, pag inuunti-unti yan, ma-accomplish din. Kaya while you wait, you also work. And this is important too, that while you work and wait, you pray. So that your mind, your heart, and your hands will find purpose and meaning at hindi ka magiging anxious. Kasi if it's for you, yung inaantay mo, darating talaga yan. Pero kung hindi, baka there's something better. Kaya my prayer for you is to have patience and to trust that God hears your prayers. Mabait ang Diyos, kaya kailangan natin ipakita din that we will be good stewards of what we are waiting for.